All right, guys. Yes, this is Benin City. This video, I'm going to be taking you guys through my visitation to my own state, my city, Benin City. As you all know, that I'm an Edo man, a very, very proud one for that. Yes. A lot of us have criticized the governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, for so long. Particularly myself, the owner of NWATCH Media. I've criticized the governor for so many times. A lot of people don't know the meaning of criticism. When you criticize your government, you are actually pushing them to do more for you. So every government all over the world deserves to be criticized at all time, because when you criticize them, they don't like it. So the good ones will decide to do what is right. That's why that's why the word opposition is supposed to be there. But if the opposition is not there, the people, you can put yourself as an opposition to tackle this government at all time. So Governor Obaseki was one of the governors that I've actually paid attention to, by criticizing him continuously on my media. And at the same time, the governor responded in most cases, which I've mentioned before on my platform, by doing what is right. Then I'll come back again to my platform to let you guys know that, okay, Governor Obaseki, the road where we talk about the other time, Governor Obaseki, Idoduan. This particular place now shop right now with this, so as you can see right there on the screen, Mr. Governor Obaseki, now he built this shop right for Benin City, the capital city of Edo State. So I decided to come to Edo State this time, not just to look or to check if the governor have done well in the state. I came for other activities, but I decided to drive around across the city to see if what I'm hearing is the reality on ground. Yes, to be honest, my people, I was very, very, very impressed when I drove around the Benin City, looking my state. As you can see right now, everywhere was so beautiful. I was very, very pleased, and I was raining praises on the former governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Although there are a lot that he's supposed to do, but he could not do. If you ask me if I'm satisfied with the governor, I'm not satisfied. I'm a very greedy person when it comes to government. I'm not satisfied. Maybe because I grew up abroad, and in comparison, I want to see my state or country, at least, if not in equivalent, but at least a little bit close to the development that I've seen almost all my life in abroad. So what I saw in Benin City, I was impressed. The governor of Edo State, everywhere was very clean. I've previously criticized the state as well, that everywhere is dirty and ugly and all that. So I can see, in case you guys don't know, all these criticism, they put them under pressure to quickly go do these things. Say, oh, we hear from one of the platform and all that, blah blah blah. Because sometimes, these guys, they are very, very proud. They might not want to mention your platform name, like, oh, we heard NWATCH saying. No, they won't say that. They'll say we heard from one of the platform, blah 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 blah. So I bet make una go clean this, make una go do this, make una go do that. Yes, which is a good thing. That's why criticism is very, very essential when it comes to government. And apart from that, it is your constitutional right to criticize the government at all times. So we drove around Benin City, just showing you buildings. Some beautiful buildings now have been erected right in the States. So I was very, very impressed with the kind of buildings we were seeing, how the road was properly structured. Although some of this road that you're seeing today, we still need to give credit to the previous government of Comrade Adams Oshomole, or rather Senator Adams Oshomole. But still, the continuity of government that I preached all the time on my media is very, very, very essential. Governor Obaseki, you can see that the continuity was in some of the places in Edo State. For example, this is Saple Road. This road here, wow. When I saw this road, I was like, wow, what is this? Because before, the only road that was actually presentable in Edo State in the past, during the time of Adams Oshomole, was only Airport Road. and okay, airport road and all that, the dualization and all that, blah blah blah, but this time even the airport road now is even more beautiful. The Sapler road is more beautiful. The King Square and Rig Road everywhere. So I'm just gonna leave my voice over out now so that you guys can watch by yourself, although I'm not going to place locations on everywhere concerning this video. Just look yourself, assume where it is, but as long as I know now Benin City now it is, because for those of us that came from Edo State, any area where we drive past right this, you will know where we day. But I wanted, the reason why, the purpose of making this video was just to show some of us that have not been to Edo State for a while to know that Edo State is not how we used to look at it. There's a lot of development now in Edo State. Apart from the government, the individualisms have done extremely well for themselves in terms of infrastructural development. You see some buildings, you say, wow, who built this one? Who built this one? Who built this one? So for me, I'm impressed, I'm proud, and I want to say thank you to the former governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Although I'm not satisfied, like I stated before, I just want our government to continue with this continuity, to continue to give us a better state, good road infrastructure, and build infrastructures as well, so that we can be proud of our own state, or rather our country. So my people, make I take on through all this area right here. Some of you know where we did for here. You see Kada Plaza very soon. Kada Plaza is just right there on the right hand side. Kada Plaza is where you can go to the cinema and order. That is it right there. So I have to bend my camera for you guys to see. You can see that's Kada Plaza, owned by the Igbinedion, Sir Gabriel Igbinedion, Isama of Benin. I get him that time. I don't know whether anything does change, but that time I be get him, or nice to get him rather. But see, what can you say concerning this particular sub level right now? For me, I was very, very pleased. This is what I want to see, and everywhere was neat, beautiful, no single dirt on the floor. I was like, how? Because this was a random visit, not that anybody know that I was coming or anything. It was a random visit and all that. So for me, I was very, very pleased. And you can see, although light hold people for there, some people still beat light, but that one a normal thing concerning the people. That's why I normally say sometimes that, for Nigeria to work, we all criticize the government all the time, but we the people have to also do the right thing at all times. And so we see them. You can see what they happen for here now. How can two cars be coming in at the same time? Which one light come pass for here? Missed the traffic here because my light is showing me red. So I have to follow the rules or the law. If the light say red, then wait. But some of them, they are very impatient. They can't wait. See that one now, that one pass, while other cars are waiting. You see the other, that now light come pass us. So it's happening all the time, not just in Edo State. It's happening in Lagos as well. So let's continue. As you can see right here, see what is happening. See the beauty of Sapler Road right from the beginning. Then this is the new ShopRite. I was very, very pleased with ShopRite, so I now told my team, okay, make we stop, make we look this ShopRite safe, make we see how it be. I want to enter inside. So my guys can say, okay, because this time is a festivity time, make we try to protect, because kidnapping and all that might happen within a twinkle of an eye. So I said, okay, no wahala, by God's grace, apart from the security people that we carry along, now God, they protect us even more. So we can't drive enter inside ShopRite to my people. Now, so we enter inside like this. I say, okay, see, you can see even the security guide on ShopRite. Look at them, well dressed, well coordinated. So we enter inside though, they give us tag, we enter inside. So we can see them like this because we have to go very early in the morning when not they busy like that. So they were trying to control us to tell us where to park our cars and all that. So we can't carry our car, we can go park and where. See, everywhere was well organized. Understand? Yes, finally, we don't park our car for here. Now that's going to say, okay, make I jump, come out. Make my security men, make they follow me. Make we enter inside this shop, right? I say, okay, make una hold the camera about myself. Make una video me myself, make I show my body small. Make una see, say, now me by myself, now they record this video for una. Then, when I go see myself just now, I'm gonna see, say, I was in my African attire. You know, they say make I dey wear the moderator and all of them. They don't tell us, my mama and all of them. They don't tell me before, say, make I not to dey wear English like that. Make I dey patronize our African attire. I can decide, okay, make una show me one. You know, I can give me bill, and that bill, as I hear my hair come big. I can say, okay, make una do one for me. What I will do now. So we continue enter here. So this is the entrance of ShopRite. So now so we enter inside here, my brother, my sisters. As I see inside this ShopRite, I was like, wow. To be honest, as I enter inside the shop, like I say I enter UK supermarket, Tesco. For those of us that live abroad, you can, you know, that's what it looks like. It can't be like say I enter inside Tesco or Asda or Sainsbury's itself. You can say, wow. Although I don't enter inside though, I only just showcase the surface and inside the structure and all that. Everything was properly organized. So for this one, I don't know what you want to talk. You know, say we as the people, we are very good to criticize, but we are not very good to give credit to the same people we are criticizing when they start doing the right thing. Even though we know these people will never ever do it how we want it to be, but sometimes when we don't criticize them, they do the right thing. Most they come out and talk about them, say at least he tried. You know, it's just like Okpebolo right now, even though there's a contention right there in court, in the petition court, that he don't win election, he say he win election. So the matter, if they court, not be my problem, or not be my position to judge who win, who not win. But at the moment now, as you can see, Okpebolo, we showcase some of the things he's already doing in Benin, the flag off of the hair bridge and all that, blah, blah, blah. You know, so if I praise Okpebolo tomorrow now, people will say, no, why you go praise Okpebolo? You don't win election. No, I don't work like that. Remember, I've tell you now before, say, I did not support Tinubu, but I said it so many times that if Tinubu start doing the right thing today in Nigeria, I will be the first to use my media to support him. Not only to support him, to showcase his good works. What me I'm fighting for is to see a better Nigeria, a better state, a better Edo state and all that is not the person that is actually doing it. Say, oh, I love this person because he win or he not win, I'm not interested in that at all. I just want to see my state work. I want to see my country work. So for me, reporting this particular video to you guys is to let you guys know that everywhere look beautiful to me in Benin City. Although due to time, I could not go extensively to show you guys other places in Edo State, because I know some people might argue later on this particular video to say, oh, you go showcase the only area where you find. Why you not go Igokbe? Why you not go Igwariahe? Why you not go Luku? Why you not go Igobazuwa? Why you not go Obububu? Why you not go? Listen, I don't have to go everywhere. As long as the same city, the King Square that I used to know that is dirty and very, very ugly, as of today, it's not beautiful, presentable. The appearance is astonishingly. So, what you say make I talk? I have to say it how it is. But meanwhile, we are heading back to Ring Road right now. Ring Road is the King Square. More go drive, go Airport Road. Make a show now how Airport Road still be on its own. My people, we could drive together. Yes, so I don't come back again, my people. As they go like this now, so I can see another supermarket again for here. They say this one another supermarket where they boom, you know, as well for this Benin City. You know, I said they call them Fort Mart also. Very, very beautiful place as well. But although I not enter inside any of the supermarket to see what they sell and all that, because I don't get the time, you know, but still, you know, we have to continue now. Make we drive towards Ring Road, make a show now. But just from here, make you watch the road yourself. What do you think? if you're not a biased person, what is your take? I'm not saying you like Obaseki. I'm not saying you like even me while they talk so, but just look what you're seeing right now. Are you impressed? Now, now the question why they ask you that, are you impressed? You know, we need to be truthful to ourselves. But meanwhile, on King Square, remember I said this ring road, me personally, I criticized them before. You know, like I said before, the continuous criticism of government pushed them, put them under pressure to do the right thing for you. You know, I criticized this ring road before, that there's potholes everywhere across the ring road, across the roundabout. You know, but this time, you know, I was also impressed, you know, that everywhere they look so beautiful as this moment. Although not be how we expect to make it just be 100%, but in terms of statistic or rather percentage, we can still say we give them 60% or 65%. That's a pass mark. Now, although I don't know the percentage where you go give them, I mean they give that one so. So this one a ring road, you know, Oe do no baji, you know, this one my place. Now my place now we all there, so my place. I love my state a lot. I just want it to work. So as we come drive around like this, you know, I contact my people say, make we drive around again. Make I see them again for the second time. You know. But meanwhile, that one at the Oredo for there, when I see Oredo for there, when I see the House of Assembly for there, you know, see all of them for that side, you know. But meanwhile, as we don't pass them twice, because say, okay, maybe we go past airport road. Maybe we see how airport road be. You know, now so we want to drive and more can they go. My people, before we enter airport road, make we drive together. All right, we don't drive around the roundabout twice, you know, make we foresee everything, capture them properly. Now we enter airport road, now be this. You know, as we are the driving, enter the airport road, now be this. You know, on the right hand side, now be our Oba Palace. You know, our Oba Palace now go show now. So, although we not go to the entrance, so now then I can come out from so. See, now be this. So I not drive go there. I just say make I show now from here from distance. But I go show now the fence. We're gonna see the way the fence stay long. See now the entrance now be that one way 3 day for inside there. So, you know, can't go all the way from here. Then we can't go. Now the our Oba Palace now be this. Our Oba Eware the second Ogidigan Oba Atokbe is it inside here so you know now there. Now our pride with this. You know, if you come from Edo State, if you come from Benin City, or rather Edo State, you know, you should know this is our pride, our second God on earth. So, yes, now the fence, now still with this, so they go like this. But meanwhile, now airport road within a year, now it end. So now then, now I say make we focus on this airport road, make we look at how you see the airport road yourself. You know, although for this airport road, I'm still not pleased with some kind of buildings I was seeing. It just look like say one thing I noticed for this Benin City now, I say all houses their beauty have lost because there are so many shops in front of all houses. There is no single, especially in the heart of GROA, there is no single building anymore in GROA. 98% of buildings in GROA, they don't use shop to block all of them. You know, I don't understand. Shop, all these small shop, they build down all of them for in front of all houses. So normally where you supposed to see beauty of a house, you are not seeing shops everywhere. So now only that one I disagree with you, because me not like that part where you'll be say shops you're full everywhere. Shops you're full everywhere. It be as it gets. So my people, as we content they go like this, so the airport they go so. As I heard they go so, now so I just enter this airport. Now Lagos, now I want to take off so. And so my men, they take me come inside airport. I'm going to enter airport just now, make una see am how e also be. So make we drive around together. So my people, now one reach airport, so the entrance of airport now one enter so. So make una see how we enter our airport. Even safe for the airport, I was also impressed, because I remember the last time where I used this airport, I was not very pleased how everything be, but the security now looks pretty tight, and although you now need to pay ticket money and all that, now say they happen for all airport, even in the UK. So, but that time, they pay anything. So I believe I don't mind paying for things in our country as long as the money is going to be utilized properly. I don't have any issue with that. So yeah, so see the security level for here, I was also very, very impressed as well. So they asked me, say, why they record and all that. I say, yes, I'm a journalist. I have to record to see the state of my state and for security reasons as well. And I said, okay, that's fine. They not delay me. They not ask me money. They not beg me for money. They just say make we they go. And so we take pass, so we can continue our journey. They will consider another gate for here. And here now they can't give us tickets. Say make we pay. If we don't pay, go enter out. And say, hey, oh God, we go pay. If we want to make our country work, we have to abide to the rules and do the right thing at all times. So we can't pay the money. I can't say maybe the pay, it don't finish. I don't know, say, once we don't pay for here, if you want to go park your car, you go still pay again. I can say, now only that place I can't be like say I can't frown a little bit, because I pay to enter airport and I go still pay to park my car. Now only that one I don't understand though. Because normally for UK, no, I'm not doing comparison anyway, but for UK, you can only pay to park your car. You don't pay to enter the airport. So the second place now one enter, so we can still pay again to one woman like that. The woman can say, oh no, you go pay, or una not go enter, because So as I pay now 2 cars I pay put to, because now 2 cars will take the worker, not forget say my security men they did my back, So now so we can see enter here, we can pay. And one enter, so see the airport everywhere calm, very quiet, very well organized and all that. Although I wanted to work on this airport, I'm not pleased with the structure. No, it's too I don't know how to describe it, but I'm not pleased. I'll just leave it like that. Now here, now we pay another money, so man, I not go talk, forget myself. Say I'm get one woman, one beautiful woman, wait, they one corner for the left hand side. And that woman come tell us, say, oh guy, if you not pay, I'm not go turn back. And I can say, okay, this one are the money for we consign this car and the car with our back. She can give us access. Make we go park. And so we can carry them, they go park the car as we talk them so. And people, Naija Airport be this, Benin Airport, although I'm not pleased with the airport, I want them to work on this airport again. If we can make it first class, that would be nice. It's just too normal, the airport is just there. Let me put it like that. It's just there, which I'm not, for me particularly, I'm not pleased. If the government, the current governor of Edo State, the executive governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebolo, can do something about this airport, if to demolish it and rebuild a proper airport here, that would be nice. But now when we go enter inside plane, I be this, my flight, I be this one go enter so I can't record, I can't turn around, I'm gonna see everywhere where we did, and so we can't enter this now aero, now I buy for here, but the name where they write for the plane can't be Cadley or Cali. I can say, which one can be Cali again? Now aero maybe buy, which one can be Cali? Now there people come tell me say, aero company that they hire plane most of the times, they do it, that they do. I can say, okay. For years, so we don't reach Lagos. And then I can say, man, you kukuma your add Lagos join now. I'm not gonna be like say, I not still record where they stay. Now I catch that now we there for years, so we they drive all the way. We they go island. As soon as I know, by God's grace, now island, now me they stay, not be mainland that they stay. So as we drive, go say, okay. Make a your kukuma your do video. Make a show now. I wanna still see how this place be Korish Island. And so we gotta go. My people, make we drive together. Yes, so we still dey go like this. As we wan enter the third mainland bridge like this, na I come say, wow. You know, say I fit do video concerning this third mainland bridge last time why I fit pass and why I arrive for Nigeria, but that time na night. Because if you pass here for night, una go see the beauty of this third mainland bridge. You go say, wow. You know, say I not like I fit talk at that time. I don't know who be go thank for the third mainland bridge, how they take build them, how they take decorate and put the light and everything. Whether not the governor of Lagos State, Governor Sanwo-Olu, Babajide, or if not the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I don't know, but anybody way they behind them, I want to say, wanna do well for this third mainland bridge. The way it can't be normally, if you drive past them before, you dey hear the road they shake. So we can't think say maybe the bridge won't fall. You know, all of us don't see raise alarm. That time, say no, we can't continue like this. They can't say okay, they can't ban everybody, or rather, they can't suspend the bridge for a while. Can't walk on them. Oh my people, if you see this bridge now, it be like say I dey UK or I dey America. Everywhere you all look suburban. Everywhere fine, not be small thing, my people. So that's once you say make I carry and come again, I can't give you now. Say if our government they do it right, make they talk more. I know some people not like them at all. Say what are they doing? What are they doing? Yes, I know. For a while, since Nigeria was created, we've never been lucky to have a good government. Even till tomorrow, we have not been lucky. But at the moment, if we criticize them for 10 things, out of that 10, if they do one, no keep am, no keep silent. Come out, come talk and say, that one where you do, thank you, I appreciate you. Now 9, I remain, because now 10, now I point out. There's nothing wrong with it, you know. But now only in Nigeria, you see, say, if we see tell them like this, say thank you, the people go the first. Mr. Naija, why are you president? You are the president. It doesn't matter, man. You know, it's still the same thing. For me, now this road, me they pass this road, am I not benefiting from it now? Yes. The reason why you see that I advocate all the time that I want Nigeria to be better, because I spend my time here. I want Nigeria to be better because for me, I love my country. I'm a patriotic Nigerian. I just want my country to work. You know, that's it. So I'm not saying, I don't see pothole for inside these places. See everywhere fine. And night I take car on a pass here. Yo, God, if you understand how this bridge, how they take run am. It too fine. In fact, if I pass the whole London for night, I'm telling you, not be bound to, this will not be bragging. This bridge fine pass the whole London for night, and they tell you, tell your people, make the come pass for night, you will understand what I'm saying. But meanwhile, now the bridge will still there since so, you know, we pass them, we pass. You know, say the bridge long, not be small thing. I say the bridge now like 17 minutes drive or 19 minutes drive. I don't know. It cannot be, no matter how you speed bridge, the bridge is long, very, very long. So I'm we take pass them. I not talk say the new build the bridge, they're gonna not go change them for my mat, and they tell you say they work on them, you know. So as they don't work on them, they take will be like waiting the newly built. You know, for me, I was very, 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 very pleased. My people, they're gonna drive with me. Yes, finally, we don't pass the bridge finish, my people. Now here, now we want to end the broadcast right now. Or rather, broadcast already did my mouth. Now here, we want to end the video right now. So make on help us subscribe to our channel, Naija Watch Media. My name is Elvis Onied again. I'm the anchor, or rather the owner of this platform. Make on follow us. If you never subscribe to our channel, do that. Join us every day. We are always on air, 7 p.m. Nigerian time, 365 days in a year, every day, calling out our government to do the right thing. My people, now God bless you now. Take care and bye for now.